Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to go from this to this using string substitution in Vim. Let's jump right in. First, we'll open our file in Vim. One thing you want to be aware of is the position of your cursor. And there's two ways to know this. Bottom right, which tells you line number, and that's column number. And Vim can tell you with set number. We'll go to line 4, and we'll start with the most basic syntax. So what this says is, it's going to replace the string that matches this regular expression with uppercase E. Now notice that with this syntax, it only replaced the first occurrence. All other occurrences were left alone. So if we want to replace all occurrences, we do s/E, replace with uppercase E, and then we add the flag G. And that will replace all matches on that line. And we'll undo that again. Now if you want to do string substitution on a range of line numbers, colon, 4 through 9, substitute, lowercase e with uppercase E. This again will do the first occurrence on each line. And we can also replace all matches on that range. Now to comment a block of text, 4 through 9, substitute the beginning of every line with a pound sign, which is a comment, and hit enter. Now if you want to uncomment that block of text, 4 through 9, substitute the beginning of every line with a pound and replace it with empty string. Remember, the first argument is a regular expression, so you can get as complex as you need when searching for your strings. Thank you, and have a great day.